Pretty active day. The metals are moving higher this week. You see SR counter trend 3 gold. Both versions capturing this. This trade right here hit its profit target on both of those. Both have a $500 profit target. Natural gas SR counter trend 3 took a short yesterday. We know the new SR counter trend 3 is a swing strategy. Hit its profit target overnight. Asia gold 4 long again. It's up 450 right now on the day. And SR counter trend 3 on crude oil is right around break even. The entry price is 61.71 and it's at 61.70. So we'll see how that trade ends up on the day. You see the weekly inventories report came out today because the holiday normally comes out on Wednesday. It came out today. The 61.71 was also the entry price on this version as well. And so pretty active day on non-stock indexes as well as stock indexes. We also have a trade in silver. Silver hit its profit target the last 2 days. SR counter trend 2 silver. Nice trades there. Asia gold 4. This version is also long. And SR counter trend soybeans. SR counter trend 2 soybeans is long. It's sitting at a loss. RBOB hit its profit target. The SR counter trends are doing well today. SR counter trend 2s and SR counter trend 3s. And Cobra Euro 4 is short. Down on the day on that trade. That is all the trades on that. Let's go to the stock index portfolio, the 19 system version SR counter trend. Long on the ES, SR counter trend 2, minus 62.50 on that trade. Tick count trend 2 hit its profit target, small move, plus 125 after slippage and commission. These numbers include the slippage and commission. So if you see 125, the trade was set for a $150 profit target. So let's see, Night Trader, one of our favorite strategies, went long last night and is down right now underwater. So we have a decent sized stop loss on this because it does that and we're used to that. On that strategy, we'll hold that until it hits its profit target or hits its stop loss. Tick Pulse, long around break even, minus 37.50. Pretty neat entry as it sells off. It filled that gap pretty hard, and then now it's kind of bouncing back in a V. We're due for a pullback, but not sure if we'll get it. Market knows that we are due for a pullback and is determined not to give it to those who are trying to capture a nice short trade. And 60-minute breakout, a volatile session, hit its profit target, got long again, got stopped out, got long again, and so up a little on the day based on this profit target, but a volatile session on that 60-minute breakout ES. Let's see, where are we? ATES and ATES short only. These will take the same short trade. And actually, this one will only take short trades. This one takes longs and shorts. So when it goes short, they're both short. And so they're up just around break even plus $50 per contract. SR counter trend 2 V2 1M ES. It is long today, plus 25. And plus 25 on the 5-minute version and plus 350 on the 15-minute version. It got in a little later at a lower price. We have that diversity. Get that diversity when you have different time frames. So it got in near the low and catching the bounce. It doesn't trade often. These are low frequency strategies. We have a combination of many strategies here. So SR counter trend 2, lots of trades today as you can see. E-mini NASDAQ is long. And it's down a little bit, minus 105 on that trade. Not sure what will happen the rest of the day. We're coming in on the last 2 days of the trading year, also the trading month, and the trading decade. So we'll see what happens. Break even stop. You see the minus 25 represents slippage and commission on the active trader NQ. SR counter trend 2 NQ minus 45. 60-minute breakout. E-mini NASDAQ hit its profit target last night. Got back in here on the way back up. I like those trades when they get out and then the market dips and it comes back up and it gets back in. So SR counter trend SR counter trend 2 V2 1M. There's a V2 and a V2M, and they trade the 1M, the 5M, the 15M on the NQ and the ES. And so you see all these trades today. This one's plus 30, this one's minus 20, and this one hit its profit target, the 15-minute version. Got in right at the lows, nice entry like that. And it's basically the same strategy on different time frames, and so it gets in at different points. And so it bought on the way down. This one already got out on its profit target on the bounce back up. Not sure if it will bounce higher. It could roll over at this point. The V2M versions are not trading so far, as we see here. As we look at our list of V2Ms right here, they're not trading so far on the ES or the NQ on the 1M, 5M, and 15M. So those are the trades for the day. Stock index portfolio, like I said, 2 days left after today in the trading month, the trading year, and the trading decade. And one way to get started is to look at the webinar for this. If you haven't seen the webinar, I'm going to post the webinar link below this video, and you can watch the webinar again. And you need one of the platforms. We're almost done with NinjaTrader 8 for stock index portfolio, and we're also going to come out with the 200K webinar that includes these strategies as well. These strategies, you can also get these. We will have a webinar soon on these strategies. I'm also going to do a webinar. I was going to do a webinar this coming Monday, but I'm going to wait until after the new year, and we'll go over the NinjaTrader 8 versions of the stock index portfolio, and then we'll do a 200K portfolio webinar after the first of the year, going over the TradeStation and NinjaTrader 8 stock index portfolios. If you have multi-charts, it's very similar to TradeStation, so you can watch the TradeStation videos and basically have the same information that you would need for multi-chart. So I'm going to post a link. I'm going to show you where you can get that below this video, and you can also go to my website. I'll show you where that is. So CapstoneTradingSystems.com. You don't have to type in all of this, just CapstoneTradingSystems.com, and you will get to this page. You go to Market Portfolios, and you click on Learn More about the Stock Index Portfolio. I'll have more updated information here soon. If you scroll to the bottom page, you can see the performance summaries through 12/20, and I'm going to probably post a webinar here as well. There is another link for that, but I'll probably post the webinar information here as well so you can see that. And that is the update for today. Hope everyone has a good weekend, and it will be interesting to see the rest of the trades on the day. If the market bounces or rolls over here, we have some long and short strategies, more on the long side, so we'll see what happens with this market as we go into the weekend. And it's been straight up, and we'll see if there's a pullback here or a continuation into the close. So have a good weekend. Let me know if you have any questions on any of these setups.